Create lasting keepsakes effortlessly with the KeaBabies Reve baby hand and foot casting kit. Practice the trial kit first to get the hang of mixing and working with the materials before you start your real keepsake. Step 1. Prepare the mold. Mix 1 pack of molding powder with 16 ounces of water. Stir continuously until the mixture turns white and smooth. Step 2. Make the mold. Gently place your baby's hand or foot into the center of the molding mixture. Hold still for 3 to 5 minutes, then slowly remove. Step 3. Create the cast. Mix 1 pack of casting powder with 5 ounces of water. Stir until the powder is completely dissolved. Step 4. Add your finishing touch. Pour the casting mixture until the mold is completely filled and let it set for about 4 hours. Flip the container over and press gently to release. Carefully peel away the mold from the cast and use the sculpting tool to remove any excess. Rinse your cast with cool water to remove residue, then smooth the edges with sandpaper. Apply a clear sealant evenly for durability. You can leave your cast natural or add a personal touch with paint. Finally, secure your finished cast to the mounting base for display. And there you have it, a timeless keepsake to treasure forever.